In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Stremio on Windows PC. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is open up a web browser and simply search Stremio download on Google. Now from here, just simply click on this second link. And as you can see, there is this Windows download right here. There are also other downloads right here if you want it for Mac or for Linux PCs. So if you need Windows PC, just simply click here on Windows download. Now it will automatically be downloaded to your PC. And after downloading it, just click on the file to install it. After the installation is finished, simply open the app. And this is how it should look like. So that's basically it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.